Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix mobile data on TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper. To fix your mobile data, slide down from the top of your screen. The first step you should take is to just disable mobile data and wait a moment, then turn it back on. Then you can check if it works by going to, for example, Google and searching for something. And if it works, it's okay. If it doesn't work, you should try enabling aeroplane mode. Then wait for about 15 seconds. And then you can disable aeroplane mode. And then it should work. And if it still doesn't work, reboot your phone. To do it, you need to either press and hold on the power button, and it will bring you this menu, or if it doesn't bring this menu and opens Google Assistant, then press on two buttons at once, power and volume up. But in my case, I need to press and hold the power button. Then click on Restart. And now you can unlock your phone and check if your data works. And if it still doesn't, you should contact your carrier. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.